being that I have not done this in a while, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my physique updates on the vlogs, on the videos, so you guys can stay motivated and you guys can actually see what hard work, dedication, and sacrifice looks like. All right, so last week I decided to put myself through 11-week pretty much transformation, guys. Right now I'm on the tail end of week 10. So week 11 I did not do any like footage or record any footage or take any pictures, but from here on out I'm going to do that. So I'm on week 10. Right now my weight is around 189 to 191. This morning I came in at 191, but I did have a huge glass of water and I did have a protein shake, so I'm probably right at 189. The goal is to get around 185, see where I'm at, and just pretty much maintain as much muscle mass as possible. So back in August I was 205 or 207. I was up there, guys. I pretty much came back from military orders, put myself on like a clean diet but not a strict diet, but now I'm putting myself through 11-week diet. All right, so this is week 10. This is my current physique update at 191. So as you guys can see, I don't look too bad. For me, my midsection holds a lot of my body fat, guys, so it's the very last place my body will burn fat. But for at 191, I still have a lot of good muscle mass. That means I put on a lot of good muscle mass on the off season or last year, 2018, because I didn't compete any last year. So I'm very happy with that. But like I said, guys, my midsection is the last place to go. That's the very last place on my body that burns fat. You know, most people, their back or their legs are the last place, but for me, my abdomen, guys. So this, in about 6 more weeks, guys, you should see a chiseled six-pack, pretty defined six-pack. I'm very excited, I can't wait. And I just want to give you guys a physique update because I think it's very important to track your progress, and so you can go back and actually see, because you see your body every day, but when you actually go back and look at photos and video footage, you can actually be like, okay, like I really see the process. I really see like the changes. All right, so I hope that motivates you guys. About to get ready to have meal number 2 for the day, and then we're gonna go to the gym and train chest. All right, y'all, so for my pre-workout meal, I'm gonna have 2 whole eggs, 6 egg whites, but for my carb source, I am going to have 1 serving of this honey wheat pancake mix. But instead of using water, I am going to try out this flavored almond milk, which is blueberry lavender almond milk from Trader Joe's that someone gifted me with. I'm gonna try it out, see how it tastes, guys. I just thinking blueberry pancakes may be pretty good. So instead of using water with this, I'm gonna use the almond milk. And like I preach all the time, guys, when it comes to eating healthy, you have to make it interesting. You have to try new things. That way it helps you stay on track and you don't resort to like junk food or bad foods, all right? I'm not gonna say bad foods, but you don't resort to this junk food or foods that's high in calories, high in sugars, etc. So we're gonna give it a try and I'll let you guys know how it tastes when we get done. We have everything ready to go, guys. As you guys can see, the pancake mix is done. Now I like to, basically what I did was, guys, I put this bowl right here on the scale. I weighed out the powder. So 1 serving is gonna give you 58 grams, focus. So right at 58 grams. So what I did was I did a serving and a half, so it's around 80 some grams. And then I just slowly add the almond milk in as I'm mixing it, because I don't want it real runny, but I also don't want it real thick. This is the consistency I like because I feel like the pancakes will be fluffy. And then I went ahead, cracked my eggs, put it here. So what I'm gonna use, guys, I'm gonna use this Pam coconut spray on the pancakes. And I do use it on my eggs as well, but with pancakes, I noticed coconut tastes really good, guys, if you cook your pancakes in some kind of coconut oil. So we're gonna go ahead and get all of this onto here. Here's the finished product. I put just a little bit of butter on there, guys, just for a little bit of flavor. So now we're gonna put some honey instead of syrup, if we have any left, because I'm not seeing any, guys. All right, let me check the other cabinet. I thought we had some honey here. No, we do not have any honey. So I'm going to have to use a little bit of syrup, just a little bit, maybe guys, a tablespoon of syrup, because most of the flavors should be in the pancakes from this. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of syrup, and we're gonna have a taste test together. So here we go, taste test number 1. I'm gonna share this experience with you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So good. Wow. You guys definitely need to try this out. Go back, screenshot the ingredients, try it out, guys. Matter of fact, I will do a cooking video on how to cook these detail through detail, so that way you guys can go back and follow it. So stay tuned. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, guys. It's a pre-workout meal. We're gonna go to the gym, train chest, side delts today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along through the workout. So I'm gonna enjoy these pancakes, all right?
So I want to go ahead and apologize to everyone for the delay of this video, guys. Everything that you watched all the way up to this point of the video was recorded about 5 days ago. So So I had a little incident during that day I was recording, or later on that day, someone backed into my car. So I was dealing with that. My car was actually parked. I wasn't even home. My neighbors backed into my car and like did some serious damage to the rear side of my car. So been dealing with that. And my initial thought reaction was to just delete the footage and start all over, because I just felt like it ruined the vlog. But there's actually some good information. I was able to show you guys those pancakes, how you can make those tasty pancakes that fit into your macros. Also, it was a great chest workout that you guys can write down and try on your next chest day. So I didn't want to just scrap that footage, because it was, to me, it was valuable footage that you guys can use and benefit from, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. But I will be doing a video on how to make protein pancakes, a healthy, tasty protein pancake that doesn't take a lot of time. And I'm also gonna record another video on how to make a pre/post-workout muscle gaining meal, all right? So stay tuned for those videos. I'm actually gonna work on those videos today. Again, I apologize for the delay. I want to try to get at least videos out every 2 to 3 days, guys. My goal is to just pump out videos this year and get content out there to you guys. So I appreciate the patience. I appreciate the love and support that you guys have been providing me. To all my new subscribers out there, thank you for stopping by my channel, subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you guys a lot. If you all enjoy my content, hit that thumbs up button for me, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss out on any good content, all right? So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, guys. I hope you enjoy the workout. I hope you enjoy the little tip you can use with making like healthy, tasty pancakes. And stay tuned for future videos on cooking, all right? Until next time, peace.